The EarFun Free True Wireless Earbuds. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the EarFun Free True Wireless Earbuds. These are a budget pair priced at $50. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, you get the user manual, USB-C cable for charging, and small, medium, large ear tips. The EarFun Free features 6 hours of listening time, 30 plus hours with the case. Takes 1.5 hours to fully charge, uses Bluetooth 5.0, has 6mm drivers, button controls, USB-C for charging and wireless, and it's IPX7 waterproof. The charging case has a simple plastic design with a matte finish. You can see the EarFun branding on the top of the lid. On the front of the case you have the status LEDs. And on the back you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it's easy to open and close. The earbuds are held into place by magnets and they are also easy to remove from the case. The inside of the case has a glossy finish and you have the ear indicator markings on each side. As mentioned earlier, these feature wireless charging, and the case will fully charge in 2.5 hours. There are two color options, black or white, and the earbuds have an ergonomic design to them. It's plastic all around with the outer face having the button control, which has a rubber feel to it. Each of the earbuds feature a microphone, LED, button control, charging contacts, and interchangeable ear tips. And here they are side by side. Navigating the playback and call controls is pretty straightforward. Just press a few times to get the desired function. The case comes in at 3.1 by 1.5 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 45 grams and the earbuds come in at 10 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Can't help the way that I'm feeling when I'm with you. You are weighing me down. Can't help the rhythm is making me no good. I just don't like the sound. Could you please make some room and get out of my face? I can't grow.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the EarFun Free microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and I had no issues. One thing to note is that the right earbud is the master, so if you want to use it in mono, it would have to be the right side only. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the EarFun free true wireless earbuds. And sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. Overall comfort and fit was excellent. They slid into place with no issues and it provided a nice seal. I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals while I had them on. The only time I did feel a bit pressure was when navigating the button controls. You also get good passive isolation. The fitment is comparable to the Edifier TWS5 and the Creative Outlier Air. They felt secured and they stayed into place while running. Build and quality is pretty good. Simple case and earbud design and it feels solid. Battery life is respectable, coming in at 6 hours and 30 plus with the case. I like the fact that it has wireless charging and it has an IPX7 waterproof rating. I'm not a fan of having the right side as a master and you can't use the left side in mono. Now when it comes to sound, these earbuds don't disappoint. You get prominent, tight bass and the sounds are precise. Mids and highs also come in very clean and clear. It does fall a bit more on the warm side and I wish the vocals were dialed up just a bit. But other than that, the sounds are very pleasant. It reminds me of the Edifier TWS5 or the Creative Outlier Air, but with better mids and highs and not the overpowering bass that the Creatives have. So overall, I'm very impressed with the performance. The price point that this is in is definitely a bargain. It can easily compete with earbuds that are twice the price, and it provides you great sounds, long battery life, and an IPX7 rating to protect you from the elements. So that is my review of the EarFun free true wireless earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.